Popeyes Louisiana Fried Chicken, a popular dish adored in the States, but can we make it homemade and make it even better at home? Let's find out. Starting off with the marinade, guys, add the spices and salt to a bowl of buttermilk, then add in the hot sauce and give a good mix to combine all the ingredients together. Add in the lemon juice and mix in well. Then add in your chicken legs and massage in the marinade until it's completely coated for around 5 minutes. Well, I could have used a bigger bowl to be honest with you, like a normal person, but hey ho, did the job. Then cling film the marinade and place it in the fridge for half an hour to allow all the flavours to permeate the chicken and tenderize it. For the coating, mix the spices, salt, pepper into a bowl of plain flour. Mix to evenly combine the spices into the flour. Remove the chicken from the fridge 5 minutes before frying to get up to room temperature. Shake off any excess marinade and coat 3 to 4 pieces in a bowl of flour. Meanwhile, heat up a saucepan with vegetable oil until it reaches 177 degrees Celsius. Carefully place the chicken in the oil and fry it for 7 to 8 minutes until the chicken is lovely, golden and crispy. In a bowl, combine mayo, American mustard and honey together, give it a good mix and set it aside to use with the chicken. Place it on a baking tray and place into a preheated oven at gas mark 5 for 8 to 10 minutes until the chicken is cooked through completely and the internal temperature has reached 75 degrees Celsius. Remove from the oven and plate up alongside that lovely dip. And here we are, foodies, my rendition of the famous Popeyes Louisiana Chicken. Crispy, golden and all you want from a good piece of Louisiana fried chicken. Did we get close to the original? I think it was a good attempt, I can't lie to you. The flavours were like the flavour profile which was described in the original. The chicken was juicy as hell due to the buttermilk marinade. The southern flavours were identified, not to mention that crispy skin, guys. Couldn't get enough of it. The dip was lovely light with a balance of heat and sweetness. I recommend you guys try this fried chicken out for yourselves when you're wondering what to eat with your family and friends together. Perfect dinner idea for you guys. Let me know what you thought of this recipe. Thanks for watching as always, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.